As I look back on all of my days, so many times in so many ways, I have been blessed, and all I can say is God is still good. Sometimes the night brings sorrow and pain, sometimes the tears flow like the rain, but through it all, He's never changed. God is still good. God is still good when the waves roll high. God is still good all through the night. When I've done all I can and I don't understand, God is still good. Clouds uptown may darken the ways, showers of blessings may come any day. He'll bring me through and I'll stand and say, God is still good. There have been times when I've let Him down, made my mistakes, but still I have found I stumble and fall, but through it all, God is still good. Mercy still flows from the palm of His hand. He will give grace and help me to stand. Although He knows how unworthy I am, God is still good. God is still good when the waves roll high. God is still good.